Alright, so I think I've been chumming too far out. I think it's deep, too deep for the cast net, and the minnows are coming out from under it too fast. One more cast. I got a shallow spot that I can go try. Yeah, just like one or two every cast. Use what I got, and then I'll go and try to find some other bait. Alright, let's use a couple that I have. I don't want to put too many in there anyway. That big old shad. See, I got about 10 and a big old shad. I'm gonna put that big old shad on there and see if a big old bass pick him up. Alright, just got him hooked on the jig head, got the bobber. Throw him out here over this treetop. There's a treetop that comes in from the bank and stretches way out here. And most of the time they're right on the end of it. Alright, bobber down. Oh, pull it away from me. Shoot. See if we come back and get it. Alright, bobber down. That feels like a good fish. Oh yeah. It's a good saccalay there. It's probably 12 inches long. Looks like a female. She's real fat. Alright. Use the same minnow, because I ain't got a whole lot. He's dead. He's dead, but you get that cork of pop. Let it sink back down. And keep popping it like that. He'll come up and get it just like them jigs. Boom, he's already on it. Got him. Oh, he popped off. Dang. Alright. Get another one right back over there. There he is already. Got him. This one's little. Just a little guy. Alright, this is the minnow I was just using. And this is a dead minnow that I picked up out of the water. But I didn't get any bites on this one. So I'm about to put this dead one back on. I'm going to show you how picky these saccalay are with size. Put a dead one on. It's about an inch shorter than the big one. Throw it right back over there. Boom, it's already got hit. Already got hit. And I got him. Oh, he spit it out. That's alright, I still got my dead minnow. That's crazy. So I've been fishing with this guy. No bites. First cast with that little dead minnow and get a bite. And these jokers are picky when it comes to size. Size of lure, sometimes the color. Alright, bobber's down. This one feels good. Oh yes, yes, that's on that dead minnow. Come on, don't come off. I need a dip net. That's a good, another 12-inch fish. Look how fat that joker is, man. That was on that smaller dead minnow. They didn't want the live one, but they eat the dead one. And this is a 1/64 ounce jig head. So when you pop it, it falls back real slow. Little jig head. Look at that fish. That's awesome. Number 2 for keeper. Alright, I see this minnow up here. The one I was just using. I only got one minnow left in the bucket. See if I can get another fish on it. That joker is destroyed. I don't know. Alright, I barely got him on there. He has no face. I just slung him off behind me. I can't even stay on the hook. Shoot. Let's try this one more time. It don't work this time. I'm about to try something different. Let's try it right there. There we go. Let's see if I can get me another one. Alright, there's another one on that dead minnow. And he's about 9 inches. He is borderline keeper, but he's getting kept today. There's another one. He is a little bit too small. That joker's fat though. I ain't catching as many on this compared to the live minnow, and even the dead minnow was doing pretty good. But it is catching a few fish. Alright, went over there and picked up some more minnows. Threw a cast net a couple times. I got about 15 or so. Gave this spot a rest. Come back over here and try it. See if any of the bigger ones move back in. Alright. We'll get back over there. It seems like they moved to the shade. Unless there's another brush pile down there that I don't know about. Seems like they done moved over that way. Alright, there goes the bobber. Cheese and peach. What do I got here? Oh crap. Oh my goodness. This might be a 2-pounder. Oh my goodness. What do I got? Please don't come off. Please don't come off. Oh shoot. Oh man. It's only 4-pound test. Oh, big old gar. Oh man. I was hoping it was a 2-pound crappie. I only got 4-pound test. I don't know if he's gonna break my line or not. Jeez. Jumping like he's a bass. I don't know how he ain't done cut my line. Don't bite me. Oh shit. Got him. It's a pretty good sized gar. 4-pound test. I don't know how. Look at that. I don't know how he didn't break that line. It was a fun fight though. Alright, bobber down. Oh crap. What we got? Little bass. He barely hooked. That was on a big old spot tail minnow. Alright, got another one on. These bass were hitting minnows all along this wall right here. Minnows were flying out the water. Let's see if I can get another one up here by this wall. Alright, here's a bite. Oh, missed him. Look, he's blowing up right here. See if he's gonna chase it up. He might have got my minnow. No? Boom, right there. Got him. Just going up and down this wall. Schooling up on these minnows. Good little eater size. Little spotted bass. Little bitty hook. Little bitty micro hook. Nice little bass. These spot-tailed minnows are a little big. Sackley didn't want them over there on that treetop. Seems like these bass are wanting them. They was fighting hard. Get in there. Oh man, it's schooled up in this sugar. No, nice little bass. Oh, and I just got my minnow out the water. Starting to put together with a little stringer. There's a dead minnow back on. Well, he's still somewhat alive. Might catch another bass. I got tangled up. Alright, there's a bite. Got him. A little bitty bass. Up here on that wall eating them minnows. Alright, that is it for today. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe.